As we have discussed many and many times, it is so important to have models of the important system components and a use case diagram is very important model that shows end users and other stakeholders what are the use cases and who are the actors within the new system. A use case diagram is a UML model, unified modeling language model used to graphically show all the use cases and the relationships to all the actors that might use these use cases. Unified model language is the standard for diagramming an information system. An actor is what we call an end user. So we have actors on use case diagrams. And there is also an automation boundary. And automation, but these are diagrams, or the diagram itself shows the boundary between the actors and the computerized portion of the application. This is a very simple use case diagram, as you can see on the screen now, or on the slide, showing a one actor here as a stick figure. And then there is one use case named ship items. Again, we're using a verb noun to identify this use case. And there's a connection or a connecting line between the actor and the use case, implying that this actor participates in this use case. This actor is the user in this use case, and there could be more than one actor that could be involved in this particular use case. The automation boundary shows as a box surrounding all use cases. And by automation boundary, we mean that everything inside this box is automated. It's software, it's designed and implemented by us. And everything outside this automation boundary would be the user or the actor of the system that's interacting with the software. Now remember, in basic information system terminology, an information system includes both the users and the software they are using to carry out tasks. This is also an example of a use case diagram for a subsystem called customer account subsystem. And this particular use case diagram is showing all the actors that are involved in use cases of this subsystem. So for example, you have a use case called create or update customer account, request friend link up, reply to a friend link up, view mountain bucks, browse messages, process account adjustments, send messages, transfer mountain bucks, and then finally send or receive partner credits. A customer is an actor who has been defined as someone who can carry out all of these goals, all of these use cases with our system. You can see those connecting lines. We have a line that's pretty much connecting to every use case in this new system. Additionally, we have a CSR or a customer service representative and a store sales representative. Both will be able to carry out, create or update customer account use case. Management, on the other hand, can also be able to carry out process account adjustments. So this shows that in most cases, the customer is able to do all of these use cases, of course, except for processing their own account adjustments. So this is a very useful way to get together with people on the team and say, for the customer account subsystem, these are all the actors involved. And this is specifically what they are going to be allowed to do in the system. Here's another use case diagram for the RMO sales subsystem. And rather than including all of the use cases of the sales subsystem, this one is only focusing on the use cases that can be carried out by a customer. This will be a useful diagram to take it to a focus group, for example, when we are discussing with potential customers what kind of things they want to be able to do with the new system. For example, they can search for an item, they can view product comments and rating. Customer can also view accessory combinations, fill shopping carts, empty shopping carts, fill reserve carts, convert reserve cart into a shopping cart, check out shopping cart, as well as empty a shopping cart. So this is an example of one diagram used for one particular type of meeting on a particular type of a discussion you might have with end users. Obviously, you can have a lot of different use case diagrams. The key here is to determine what do I want to show people? What do I need to take to the meeting to discuss with people or with stakeholders who are involved in this project? Now, one additional construct that we can show on a use case diagram is the includes relationship. As the name indicates, the includes relationships gives us the capability to include one use case or one case as a part of another use case. In this example, we see that the fill shopping cart use case includes 3 other use cases: the search for item use case, the view products, comments, and rating, and view accessory combination use case. So looking inside the use case and documenting the workflow that goes inside the use case, this notation here commits us to specify that internal to the fill shopping cart use case. There are other flow of activities that must be considered when we document the inside flow of steps of the fill shopping cart use case. The notation for the includes is a dashed arrow from the including use case to the one being included. The name includes is a stereotype relationship, which means it's a special type relationship. In UML, stereotypes are denoted by a guillemot sign or symbol. A guillemot is a double angle bracket written as a single character. Thanks for watching.